This is a simple way to make and use onion juice for hair. What you need is just grab 1 to 2 onions depending on the size of the onion. Then go ahead and cut the onion into smaller pieces. And then what you're gonna do, you're going to crush using the grinder or whatever you have, or anything. For me, I'm going to use this blender. Then after blending out, use a sieve or a strainer or any type of cloth that will help you extract the juice. After straining your juice, take a container and put inside. Use the container that will work better for you. Then the first way you're going to do is just pick a cotton pad and dip in the water and then apply direct to the scalp. What you do, you need to apply direct to the scalp. Onions contain sulfur, which helps to increase hair growth and restore the lost nutrients in the hair as well. You can also take the red onions, add the oil of your choice to make the oil, which will help to nourish your hair follicle, help to restore lost nutrients in your hair, and the sulfur content in the onions also helps to minimize breakage and thinning. It has antibacterial properties and also it's an antioxidant, which helps to lead to a healthy and shiny hair. The other way of applying the onion juice is you can also go ahead and put it in a spray bottle and then just spray on your hair, starting from the scalp to the ends of your hair. I think this is the best way again to apply this one. So make sure you apply really well, you spray really well, and then go ahead and massage your hair. Then leave the onion juice on your hair for at least more than 45 minutes. I usually do this in the evening. Then I cover my hair with a plastic bag, keep it until the next day. The more you keep the onion juice with your hair, the more the benefit. So I keep it until the next day, then I wash out. If you like the video, remember to subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.